All right, that's enough. Hold it, please. All right, figure it out. Backstage. Yep, you got it.
On a clear day, rise and look around you. You can see just who you are. On a clear day, how it will astound you. The glow of your being outshines every star you feel part of. Every mountain, sea, and shore, you can hear from far and near a world you never heard before. 'Cause on a clear day, that clear day, you can see forever and evermore. On a clear day, rise and look around you. You can see just who you are. Well, on a clear day, I will astound you. The glow of your being outshines every star you feel part of. Every mountain, sea, and shore, you can hear from far and near a world you never heard before. 'Cause on a clear day, that clear day, you can see forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Never, and never, and never, and ever, and ever, ever, and ever, and ever. Well, you can see forevermore. Once in my life I have someone who needs me, someone I've needed so long. Oh, once unafraid, I can go where life leads me, somehow I know I'll be strong. Oh, once I can touch what my heart used to dream of, long before I knew someone warm like you would make my dreams come true. For once in my life, I won't let sorrow hurt me, not like it hurt me before. Once I have something I know won't desert me, I'm not alone anymore. Well, for once, I can say that this is mine and you can't take it. Long as I know I have love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. Okay. And if that's not loving me, then all I gotta say is God did make little green apples, and it don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime. There's no such thing as Dr. Seuss, Disneyland and Mother Goose. There's no nursery rhyme. God didn't make little green apples, and it don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime. When myself is feeling low, think about her face aglow, and I ease my mind. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn, and a king. I've been up and down and over and out, and I know one thing. Each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That life, well, I can't deny. I thought of quitting, but my heart won't back. And if I didn't think it was worth a try,
You know, a lot of you have been writing and asking to hear more of our theme song, Everybody Loves Somebody. I sing a few lines of it at the beginning of the show and then a few lines at the end of it, but tonight I'm going to answer your request and not sing it at all. I'm only kidding. You all want to hear it, so we're going to go through. You don't mind, do you, Ken?
Oh, I'd admire to hear you sing.
You'd admire, too? Well, going into town, Miss Lucy? Now, this is Ken Lane, and he doesn't mind no matter how often we do this song because he wrote it. He wrote Everybody Loves Somebody. Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody falls in love somehow. Something in your kiss just told me that sometime is now. Everybody finds somebody someplace. There's no telling where love may appear. Something in my heart keeps saying that someplace is right here. If I had it in my power, I'd arrange for every girl to have your charm. Then every minute, every hour, every boy would find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime, and although my dream was overdue, your love made it well worth waiting for someone like you. Now you take care of yourselves and remember, everybody loves somebody, and I love you all very, very much. Good night and God bless you.